Hey guys, it's Whitney, and today I just wanted to really start showing you my dividend portfolio. And when we're talking about financial freedom, I know I've really focused on my rental properties and the real estate side of things, but one of my biggest passions is actually dividend stocks as well. I do have a growth portfolio, but today we're going to be focusing on that dividend portfolio. So I'm going to show you, I have all of that in my Robinhood account. And then my growth is more in the Charles Schwab account. So today I'm going to show you my Robinhood portfolio, where my dividend stocks are, what positions I have, and really focus and show you the breakdown of it, how I look at it, and just a good overall view of it. And then in future videos, I'm going to show us how I really approach it from a fundamental standpoint, company, choosing which new ones I want. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's go and start looking at my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, down about $31 today. And overall, I'll just show you the all-time. I'm actually up about 1%. You can see further back that I was up. And then obviously, as we all know, the market has had a downturn over the last few months, but had a little bit more of a rally, so happy with that. So just to kind of let you zoom in, over the last month gained about 3.7%, so excited about that. But the nice thing about dividend stocks is even when the market's down overall, you can still be cost basis in and get some of the stocks that I paid a little bit more for, start bringing my cost average down, and look at those dividends still coming in. In just a minute, I'm going to take you over actually to one of my favorite apps, is the Dividend Tracker, and show you more of my diversification and how I follow my payout calendar. But yeah, so starting to go look at, I love AbbVie, I love Johnson & Johnson. Pepsi's probably one of my favorites. It's one of my best performing ones. You can see that I'm up I've had it cost base of 143 and up about 21% in that. So I made over $347 in that one. Not buying a whole lot right now because it's done so well, but have some Pfizer, some Chevron, which I've done really well with. As you can see, made up about 18%. So cost basis of $131, wish I would have bought some more when it was lower. Have Apple, have a few of my higher dividend ones as well. This, the enterprise products, I love it. It pays a 7.15 dividend yield, so love that. And also up about 9.3% in that one. So coming back down, I'm actually buying a lot of Verizon right now. I'm down in that one over 16%. So cost averaging down, bought that actually this week, some more. Just so you guys know, I put about $100 a week into it. I have an automatic withdrawal going into it, and would love over time to build that. My dividend portfolio is one of my favorite things because I try to diversify it really well. I love seeing the dividend growth over time and seeing that passive income coming in. Really want to build this. My main goal is to start getting $1,000 a month, and getting close to where I'm almost $1,000 a year, but really wanted to build that over time. I'm 33 right now, so I have some time to build that up. Have Bank of America for financials, 3M, have some REITs in there, so still getting some real estate on top of my real estate I own, also having the dividend come in. I love Caterpillar, really, with a lot of the infrastructure coming up. One of my favorites is actually my largest holding right now is Starbucks. I was buying it a lot while it was down, so I was able to bring my cost average down where I'm only, barely down any now. Have over 24 shares of that, and really their dividend is growing, and 2.24 is not too shabby to look at right now. Have some Darden restaurants, so trying to get all of the diversification in. AGNC one of those that it's not from a company fundamentals that I have it in, but that it has an 11.6 dividend yield. So I do have a few that are there for just the high dividend yields, but really trying to get companies that I'm a hold for the long term. JEPI is a call coverage, premium income. So building on that, averaging, 11.93 dividend, 30-day yield. So it's my largest income producer. And then one that I'm really trying to build right now is Lowe's. It's one of my newest assets that I've added, and then still adding to Intel. I truly think over the long term they'll recover well. I am down pretty big in that one, so definitely want to see that one come back up, but still buying some, trying to bring my cost average down, which is one of the biggest things with dividend income and dividend portfolios is once you get those cost averages a little bit higher as the market drops, try to bring that down because you're still getting that constant dividend coming in, which is always nice. So I'm gonna bring you over to the dividend tracker. Looking at this, so my August income is $107. My annual income is almost $800. My dividend yield average is 4.23. And then I was going to also show you guys my diversification. So I love this. I have a free version on the dividend tracker, but also the premium. I do own the premium, and check that out for sure. I love following JJ on YouTube, and he's one of the founders of this company. So as you can see, my largest holding is Starbucks at 11%. Pepsi is my second one at 10.5. It used to be even higher, but I haven't been buying as much since it jumped up. But if it dips again, I will be buying a lot more of Pepsi. I have JEPI in there, the enterprise products, 3M. Like I said, I've been adding a lot of Lowe's lately as I was building, and actually got it fairly low, and then it is coming up. So I'll keep watching that. If it dips again, I'll buy some more Lowe's. Buying Verizon right now, just trying to bring down my cost average. AbbVie, Intel, Darden, all of these, as you can see, just my holdings going along there. So also was going to show you the payout calendar of this app. Love it, and really can start to see where every 3 months, my monthly holdings, all of those, it shows you on the graph, but you can also scroll down and see the totals right here and come across, and it shows you what to expect each month and can follow that. So it's a really awesome asset to have. And like I said, they have a free version and a premium version, but really on this channel looking to try to grow this. And okay, so now you've seen all of my dividend holdings, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along as I show you even more, and hit that like button so that I can show you more videos and build this channel and this community. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Have a great night, and I'll see you soon.